To fix a disabled Facebook login, follow these steps. First, understand that Facebook disables accounts for various reasons, including suspicious activity, fake accounts, or violating terms of service. If your account is disabled, start by visiting the Facebook login page and entering your email address and password. If you see a message saying your account is disabled, click on the appeal link to initiate the recovery process. You will be asked to fill out a form providing identification, such as a government-issued ID. To verify your identity, make sure the name on the ID matches the name on your Facebook account. Next, provide a clear explanation of why you think your account was disabled by mistake. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible. After submitting the appeal, wait for Facebook to review your request. This may take several days or even weeks, so be patient. In the meantime, review Facebook's terms of service to ensure you understand what is and is not allowed on the platform. To prevent your account from being disabled in the future, use a strong and unique password. Avoid suspicious activity, and be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and being mindful of Facebook's terms of service, you can recover your disabled account and prevent future disabilities. Remember to always follow best practices for online security and safety. If your account is not recovered, consider creating a new account and being more careful with your activity to avoid disabilities. Ultimately, Facebook's decision to disable an account is final, so it is crucial to be proactive in preventing disabilities and to follow the appeal process carefully if your account is disabled.